Today's my topic is on Arnett count. So what is the Arnett count? Counting the number of the neutrophils with different nuclear lobes and expressing the count as percentage of the cells with different number of the nuclear lobe is known as Arnett or Cook's-Arnett count. Then different stages with the normal count are given in my next slide. So these are the stages of Cook's-Arnett count, and here according to the presence of the nuclear lobe, the neutrophils are divided into 5 stages. So in stage 1 or N1, nucleus is C-shaped and normal count is 5 to 10%. So nucleus is C-shaped. Then stage 2 or N2, two lobes are connected by filament and normal count 20 to 30%. So this one is a stage 2. Two lobes are connected by filament. Then stage 3 or N3, three lobes are connected by chromatin filament, normal count 40 to 50%. Then stage 4 or N4, four lobes are connected by chromatin filament and normal count 10 to 15%. Stage 5 or N5, 5 lobes or more and normal count 3 to 5%. Then what is the clinical significance of Arnett count? Why we do the Arnett count? So the Arnett count is useful in judging the rate of formation of neutrophils. The neutrophils enter the bloodstream mostly as bilobed cells, but the number of the lobe increases to 5 or more by the end of their short lifespan of about 8 to 10 hours. The three-lobed cells are fully mature and functionally the most efficient. So, the presence of the younger cells shift to the left and more mature cells means shift to the right in the blood. That can provide important information about the rate of the formation and release of the neutrophils from the bone marrow. Now what is the shift to the left? So in left shift, more younger cells. If N1 plus N2 plus N3 is more than 80%, it indicates hyperactive bone marrow, means high rate of formation. And what is shift to the right? So in right shift, there is a more mature cells. N4 plus N5 is more than 20%. It indicates hypoactive bone marrow, means slow rate of formation. Now presence of the hypersegmented means more than 5 nuclear lobes. Neutrophils in the peripheral blood is called shift to the left. So this is a hypersegmented nucleus. There is a more than 5 number of the lobes are present in the nucleus of neutrophils. So that is presence of this hypersegmented neutrophil in the peripheral blood that indicates shift to the right, and it indicates of hypoactive bone marrow as seen in the megaloblastic anemia and uremia. Then presence of band and star formed neutrophils. So this is a band shaped neutrophil. Premature neutrophil with decreased nuclear lobe in the peripheral blood is called shift to the left, and it is indicative of hyperactive bone marrow as seen in the severe infections and leukemia. Thank you.